This short video explores body cavities and the organs in these cavities, providing a roadmap to navigate the body's intricate organization. The human body has two main cavities, the dorsal cavity and the ventral cavity. Dorsal cavity. This cavity is located on the back of the body and is further divided into two subdivisions, cranial cavity and vertebral cavity. Cranial cavity is located in the head and is made by the bony skull. This cavity houses the brain. Vertebral canal is formed by vertebrae. This houses the spinal cord. Ventral cavity. This cavity is located on the front of the body and is further divided into two subdivisions, thoracic cavity and abdominopelvic cavity. Thoracic cavity. This cavity is formed by the thoracic cage. It is separated from the abdominal cavity by the diaphragm muscle. Thoracic cavity contains the lungs, heart, esophagus, and trachea. Abdominopelvic cavity. This is the largest cavity in the human body and is further divided into two sections, abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. Abdominal cavity. This contains organs like the liver, stomach, spleen, small intestine, and large intestine. Pelvic cavity. This cavity is located at the lower part of the abdomen and contains the urinary bladder, reproductive organs, and other organs. Abdominal quadrant. Imagine the abdomen as a large square. To divide it into 4 quadrants, we use 2 imaginary lines that intersect at a right angle at the umbilicus or belly button. The 4 quadrants of the abdominal cavity are a helpful way for healthcare professionals and anatomists to describe the location of organs or pain in this region. Right upper quadrant. Located in the upper right portion of the abdomen, this area houses part of the liver, gallbladder, right kidney, and some portions of the intestines. Left upper quadrant. Found in the upper left portion of the abdomen. Organs in this quadrant include part of the stomach, spleen, left kidney, and some portions of the intestines and pancreas. Right lower quadrant, situated in the lower right portion of the abdomen. This area contains the appendix, part of the small intestine, and the right ovary in females. Left lower quadrant, located in the lower left portion of the abdomen. Here you'll find the sigmoid colon, part of the large intestine, and the left ovary in females.